What's happening, YouTube? I'm Transient. Welcome to my channel. So, it's a new week, and I'd been doing a little bit of farming last week. So, what I want to do is do some crafting. Now, on my artifacts, I have enough for 3 temples on the exclusives and 5 temples on both the Titan and the Wisdom Forge. On my gear, I have 2,000 sanguines and 2,000 smoldering scales. So I want to do all those and then see what we get. So I think I'll start with the gear, actually. So let's start with the sanguine fabric. Yeah, start with sanguine fabric. Actually, just before, let me check how much gear I've got. Space 135. Okay, I've got enough. All right, let's do this. Hopefully, I want to try and get Hex's weapon. No. Okay. Now that is what's it like? Okay, that's a nice weapon. That's a very nice weapon, actually. Thank you, Volker. All right, next one. Yeah, so hopefully Hex's, and there it is. We got Hex's weapon. Hopefully it's rolled really well. Ugh, that's not great. That's not great at all. Alright. Okay, hopefully we'll get another hit on Hex's. There we go. Alright, this is a good one. It's a bit better. Could really do with some crit rate. Well, this is better than the previous. Okay, let's delete all those. Alright. Who's this? Toradors. Okay, HP, defense, crit rate. Okay. I think I already have that. Sell all the rest. I'm literally not even going to bother looking. As long as the exclusives, that's all I'm interested in. Ah, good. Hex. Better. It would have been good if it had all 4, but that is definitely the best of the 3. So I'll save that. That's very good. Sell the rest. Actually, what did it do again? Crit damage, 40. Yep, and during the ultimate increases penetration by 5%. Okay. Right. Yep, so. Okay. Next turn. Ooh, okay, we got an ancient. So we got Toradors, Iridans. That's not good. Torador basically the same one as before. And this one. Okay. So what would be nice if I got maybe an unidentified. That would be cool. Okay. Another 10. Nope. So. Okay. Last 2 temples. Although I am good if I got the Hex pieces. There. Okay. What is it? What does it look like? Yeah, not that great. And last one. Okay. Well, that wasn't very good. Okay. Smoldering scales. Let's do this. Just go straight into it. Okay. Nice. Whose is this? Attack speed. Alright. Attack bonus, no crit rate. Okay. Sell that. Okay. Next turn. Kites. I still haven't actually used Kai yet. Got him, but I haven't found a place specifically where I should use him. Right, so that's in effect. Okay, sell. Another 10. Comet and attack rate, red attack speed. Okay, that's not bad. Zealous, I don't even have him, so who cares? Let's move on. Keep going. Yep. Just gotta go. Silverus. Okay, that's decent. That's about. I need some decent Wings of Grace pieces. Attack bonus. Defense. What's that? Tempered Will? Okay. Right. Yeah, I need some decent Wings of Grace pieces and some Tempered Will. So hopefully I can start pulling a few. Okay, Haas. Okay, let's check out these Wings of Grace. HP. No. Yeah. Okay. Nothing great there. And 3 more. Yeah, it hasn't been fantastic. Hasn't been bad, but hasn't been good. Check out this one. Nope. So, right, last one. Hopefully we'll get something decent. No. Okay. Actually, hold on. Defense. Attack bonus, attack speed. I'm gonna keep this one. So I keep that because I need some pieces for Wings of Grace. Right. Let's have a look at the identifier. Only one. So let's see what we can get. Hopefully something good. Crit damage. Variant for Aegis Wrath. Increasing basic attributes by 5% if not infection. Okay. Alright. Now let's do these artifacts. Okay. So we'll start with Titan Forge. We'll go in line. Alright. Let's go. Oh my word. Well, at least I just got her recently, but that wasn't very good at all. Cadaver Dagger. Okay, but I don't have Malvera to use it on. But what they need now is a sell button here, so I can sell all of these legendaries because they're pointless. Okay, next turn. Wow, that isn't good at all. Okay, next turn. Oh my god, that is really bad. Next turn. Araka. Okay, that was not good. I'm just going to go sell some pieces to create some space. Okay, now let's look at the Wisdom Forge. Let's see what we can get. I need another Tear of Twilight so I can get. Okay, that's good. I've got a Hatsets one. Let's see, the hero is invisible. Gain for 3 seconds. Ultimate activated. Okay. Times Bomb. I just recently got Hatsets, so that's useful. Tear of Twilight, thank you very much. Now my Praetor will be 25. That's what I needed. Okay, nothing special there. Oh god, wow. Terrible there. Last one. Okay, nothing great. And finally, we've got the exclusive forge. So hopefully, with 3 temples, I might get something decent. Wukong, thank you very much. That is very good. Morrigan I don't have, and Beelzebub I don't have. Okay, but that's a very good pull. Another 10. Feel free to give me another Wukong. Cade I don't have. Tsumi. Ooh, Phoenix Feather, very good. Tsumi, what does this say? When basic attack grants magic incense, there is a 50% chance to grant the target a shield with 10%. Okay. And Cade I don't have, so I'm not really that bothered. Phoenix Feather. Right, last one. Okay. Home of Term of Holy Light. Increases attack by 5% during the ultimate heals allies in range for 8% base healing every second. Okay. Should I do this one? Yeah, I might as well. Well, I don't have her either. And I probably will never ever get her because she's trash. Alright, cool. Good thing about this was I got Wukongs. So where is my Wukong? Where are you? There he is. My A3 Wukong. Could promote this. Promote that. There we go. Hearts. Okay. Well, we're moving forward. I'm gonna buy the legendary, or the whatever it is, the artifact enhancement ball, crystal, whatever, and I'm gonna get his, well, not the Ilgol Chairs, from 19 to 22. So yeah, doing all right. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. Hopefully you're super successful in your gear forging. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. So whatever you guys are doing, do it well. I'm Transient, and I'm out.